Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have the 4th edition of the Iron Man magazine with the Iron Man suit parts, and I believe that today we have the Arc Reactor or the chest piece in the Iron Man suit, and as you can see is a lot more than the previous editions, but this is to be expected as they are to fit 100 editions. Some of them are going to be smaller like this one, and some of them are going to be bigger with much more parts in them. As you can see, we have no more than 6 parts in here. I'm not counting the screws, of course, but it should be a fairly easy build. Let's not waste any time and get into building and see what we have inside. First, we have the actual magazine, the comic book. We have, as usual, a few pages of the Iron Man story, as you can see, which are all in Bulgarian, but for the purpose of this video, this does not matter. And of course, we have the instructions for assembling the chess piece. Let's see. Yep, and another few pages of the actual original comic book. Let's get straight into building. It's actually really nice to the touch. It's metal. This piece right here, it has some weight to it. this is the final result. Let's see if it works. That's awesome. This was the most easy thing to assemble in the entire road so far. Everything else was a bit more difficult to assemble and it had a lot more pieces to it. A lot more screws, a lot more moving parts. Here we have no moving parts, nothing. It's just the arc reactor itself. And it took me what, 2 minutes? But I'm excited. I have to say that I'm starting to get more and more excited about the build, because this is one of the key pieces. This is the centerpiece, the chest piece. And now let's see what I think on the next edition it will be the elbow, the right elbow after the hand. So we'll be on the road to have a fully assembled right hand, I believe. We'll see. But yeah, this was it for today's episode, guys. We had this centerpiece and we're just expecting the next editions and the next releases of the magazine. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.